What's going on, YouTube? It's Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, back here again at ARC, and I'm here to check out one of these Kei trucks. They got 3 of them just right here right now, but they got even more. So if you're interested, I'll put a link to the one I'm going to drive today in the description down below. Like I said, they got 3 of them. One of them is a brand I don't even know. Another one is a Honda, and the third one that's here is a Subaru. And they got some attractive Hondas out here today. But the most impressive one, the most beautiful one is this one right here. Got the Honda badge on it. So these are like work trucks. Very small. I'm taller than them, much taller. Kei cars, if you don't know, small cars from Japan. And I can see clear over the top of this one. So taking a walk around, just a little box truck, very little, can be a workhorse. And this Honda has real-time 4-wheel drive, and it looks identical to the one that I'm about to drive. So this second one, see, they've been working with it. Let's just take a peek inside the Honda real quick. This one looks identical to the one that I'm about to drive. Maybe they're different, but maybe they're not. Manual transmission, 3 pedals. Not a whole lot to write home about. These are from the 90s. This, and I don't know a thing about this one at all, but we have more information on the website. This one has a wooden steering wheel and still the manual. These could possibly be rebadged, but the one that I'm going to drive is the Subaru Sambar, and it's right up here. It's also a 4-wheel drive. Got to have the smallest exhaust pipe. Dang, it's even smaller. Got a pipe inside the pipe. But this one's 4-wheel drive, and yeah, got some new tires. I think this is the best conditioned one up here. And since I own the Subaru at the moment, I figured why not drive one? So they're all very, very attractive, or not, but functional, serves its purpose. This is my press car for the week if you wanted to know. But these are all right-hand drive. So what will be the driver's side is the passenger side. Bunch of plastic, not a whole lot to write home about. The first vehicle on the channel to have manual roll down windows. I ain't seen that in a very long time. Got some leather seats in here. The headrest is attached to these bars on this window. That's never seen nothing like that. Manual, everything. We do have a radio in here. Heat, so that's good. Ooh, a 4-wheel drive button. All right, we're about to just get behind the wheel and see what this like to drive. So if you're interested, all 3 of these Kei trucks are for sale. So this thing got a nice bed on the back. How long is this thing? It's longer. It's about 6 feet. So this is bigger than your standard full-size SUV today. It's not as deep, but yeah, definitely got the width. And I've seen people pick these up in the back. Like, you can just lift this thing off the ground. It's so like, am I strong enough to do so? Yes, I am. Can lift this thing right on up. So yeah, I wonder what the weight distribution is on one of these. But let me jump on the inside. It's windy out here. Like I said, we got the leather seats. Slide on up in here. Grab handle. We do have a pocket on the door. Solid thud. I noticed with the seat, you can fold it down. Not exactly sure why you would do that, but you can. Oh man, I'm so used to having keys in my pocket. Passive entry, passive start. Got a couple keys. So foot on the brake. Make sure we're in neutral. Purrs like a kitten. Let me buckle on up. Buckle up, buttercup. So it hums. This engine is super smooth. Can I slide my chair back? Probably not. So we don't have a whole lot going on. Let me turn the fan off. Yeah, this got 3,100 kilometers, which is about 19,000 miles. Get this blinker situation figured out, and I guess I'll turn on some lights. We need gas. Gotta go straight to the gas station. So Let's take off. But not with the e-brake on. Oops. Thing was about to pop a wheelie. So I'm told this can go about 70 miles an hour. Will we take this on the highway today? That's the top speed. Uh-oh. Ooh, that clutch feeling is it's not a Honda. We got some torque though. This thing lift up. The box ain't the smoothest either. I'm not the smoothest at it. I need me a shifter bushing. This is basically what my Subaru drives like. Just needs some kind of shifting feel. Subaru must have always been trash at that. Don't mind the rattles. That's this license plate on the window back there. You go ahead. Don't be sitting here waiting on me. I'll be waiting for a minute. Let's not rev it all the way out. We don't even have an RPM gauge on here. Uh-oh. That third gear is a pain in the keister. Visibility, fantastic on this thing. We got 5 gears. Yes, I do. Oh, this 5th gear get all the way over to my thigh. Alright, let me downshift. I downshift rev max. Of course I can. Uh-oh. That is not a turn signal. Every time I get in one of these cars, I do that. Whomping Bobula. I've been watching Recess. Alright. My signal's on the right side. Alright, so we gotta get creative. Oh, dang. Woo, thing bucking like a yacht. Bucking like a horse. Alright, drop it down to 2nd gear. Testament to these Michigan roads out here. I don't know if I want to go on public roads, but we got to worry about getting gas. That is our first order of business. Look at people not even looking around corners. Had to be clever with getting to the gas station, taking the back road so I don't even have to get on the streets. Oh crap. Use my turn indicator. Oh look, another Subaru. Can I get the Subi wave? Nope, you don't even realize you got a Subaru. You don't realize I got a Subaru. Your boy done got comfortable in here. Oh crap. Your boy done lost his sense of direction up in here. My turn came early. What's the 0 to 60 on here? It's probably like a literal minute. Top speed at 70. BMW driver taking up the whole road. It's your problem. Yeah, what I would do for this gear shifter, do the same thing that Hal did. I would need some kind of bushing upgrade to where shifting is just better. But if you bomb, dang man, respect the road. Respect my gangster. No problem. Truck drivers, I tell you, just because your truck's bigger than mine don't mean you command the road. This is surprisingly torquey, especially in that 2nd gear. Now, we about to get out here. The gas station right there. Thankfully. Alright, we're about to go after this stinking Lincoln. Right up in there. Dang. Alright, I'm gonna assume this takes regular, because why would this take premium? Alright, about to put a little bit of gas in here so we can make a fine video. Engine so smooth. Remind me of my Nissan hardbody I used to have. That's a Nissan pickup truck. What's it called? Like a D21? I don't remember. Open the door. And the gas tank is not on this side. God almighty. I had a mental note that the gas tank was on the passenger side, but because I'm sitting on the passenger side, I thought of the wrong side. So about to drive around to the passenger side. Well, the actual driver's side, what it would be. Let me close my door all the way. Oh my God, the e-brake. Now, how would I even do this? I want to make a fool of myself up in here. No, I don't. Oh my God. First gear, so I'll tell you, that's that truck that cut me off. All right, here we go. This vehicle ain't wide. This would be a great vehicle to start driving right-hand drive, because it is not so wide to where you can't figure out what the heck you're doing. All right, the fuel door right here. Use the key. See that thing there? Yeah, that's gonna have to go on the ground. We off again. We rolling. Left my lights on. Hey. Put on the clutch. Back rolling. Buckle up, buttercup again. Y'all cheer again. Watch out for more of these trucks. I know they ain't gonna respect it. They ain't gonna respect it. Man, I'm hungry. Man, Subaru needs gear shifters, I tell you. I'm speed racer though. Wow, getting passed by everybody. I'm flooring it too. And it's windy out here too. Don't let the boy get taken away. Downshift rev match. That's satisfying. Uh-oh. Got a little bit too confused, pressing too many buttons, signals and switches. Got the hang of it now. Let me take that plate out the window. Whoops. Alright, downshift again. Woo. Oh yeah. There we go. Floor it. Oh, I've been flooring it. How much gas in this thing hold? That $5 ain't do nothing. Drop it down in a second. Woo. Third gear is a little bit tricky, but we got it, and you can just floor it all day. Actually, been flooring it most of the time driving it. This is an interesting vehicle. Now the corner carver, it's a truck, man. Everything in the sports car, you know that. I'm not gonna tell y'all that every single video. There we go. We're gonna master this third gear. There we go. We just have to let it go back to neutral. This being the Subaru shifter, it ain't smooth no more. Or it probably was never smooth. I got the WRX TR, and boy, oh boy, that shifter is garbage. But Hal hooked me up at ARC, so now my shifter is great. short shifted. Y'all want to see me go on the highway? Well, too damn bad. We ain't doing that today. Not in this car. I got passed by everybody. It's too slow. Can probably have some fun back here, to be honest. And flooring it is not fast by any means, any measure. But this is an actual work truck. We actually saw a guy a week or two ago. He was looking to buy one of these for his company to move some stuff around. Oh, oh, pop the wheelie doing that. What's the turning radius like? Good. It ain't no kind of weight in the back. Bouncing all around this thing. Alright, we're about to pull back up on ARC. Still pressing the windshield wiper. Before I stall, you know I don't stall. It's y'all problem. This ain't bad though. The clutch is super light. Steering is heavy. I wish cars had this kind of steering. And what we rolling on, like 10-inch wheels? It's crazy. Well, let me pull on up in front of this other unnamed K car that I don't know. And that's my fault. We got this Evo right there. But that's all I'm gonna have for y'all today. I'm out of breath from all this bucking and stuff like that. So if you're interested in buying one of these, it's at least 3, 4, I think you might have 7 of these for sale. So I'll have a link in the description for this one down below. So let me know what you think about this. What would you do with it? Would you have taken it on the highway? Of course you would have. You crazy. Y'all ain't about to risk my life. But you all remember to drive safe and have a good time out there. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out.